here at the FEMS Conference on Microbiology, and I have with me Klara Filek. We're actually nearly lunchtime of our third day here. So my first question to you is, how are you finding the conference so far?
I'm finding it very demanding of it. There's a lot of sessions. This is my first big conference, and I'm enjoying it so far, even though we're having a heat wave and it's kind of difficult to breathe outside, but inside it's lots of interesting new stuff.
So we just walked out of your oral presentation, so can you tell us a little bit of the content of your presentation?
So I was presenting my PhD work on microbes on loggerhead sea turtles in the Adriatic Sea, and I'm mostly working with bacteria and diatoms and the communities that we can find on the loggerheads, but also specifically diatoms that we isolate from that environment and what bacteria come with them to the cultures, because there's no information on bacteria and diatoms from marine vertebrates, the animals.
So you must surely do some very interesting microscopy, right, with the diatoms and everything?
Oh yeah, the microscopy is beautiful. I even miss it a little bit because most of it was done in the beginning of the project. We were just isolating, sitting there for hours trying to pipette them manually. We had a tube that was connected to the glass pipettes. You're kind of sucking them in a bit, which is it's weird in the beginning, but you get used to it. And it took a lot of hours to get proper diatom cultures out from the turtles.
And where do you see this kind of research going in the future?
Well, my idea about it is, since turtles are vulnerable or even endangered in some populations, I see them as hosts or reservoirs of microbes that could be specific just to them. So if we don't research them now, when we're able to, we might lose all the microbial potential that's out there in the nature, even for us humans in biotechnology. So that's like a larger picture that I'm trying to see in my work.
Mm-hmm. And the last question that I have for you is, what is your favorite microbe?
Oh, that's a tough one. I always had a crush on Thia Margarita namibiensis because it's the sulfur pearl of Namibia, of course, and now we have something that surpasses the size in the new research, the Magnifica. But my first love was Escherichia coli because it's very versatile with interaction systems. And recently, Alcanivorax, I would say, because it can degrade oil and plastics, and we found them in my research a lot with diatoms. They like growing with them, so that's kind of I have a lot of them that I like.
Yeah, thank you so much for your time, and enjoy what's left of the conference.
Thank you.